guys, it's the boy Nigma, aka Power Science says, after today, at my school day, we have this like serious stuff, I think it was really serious Santa, and like, I got my gift from Dad today. It is a Star Wars from 5 toy, remote control bb8. That's cool. Two-way motion for 4 hours with angle, remote control, and high speed, and this is RC49MHZ. There. Let's unbox it. Here's the BB and the controllers right here. I need batteries first to see what this thing takes. Okay. 3 AAAs for BB8 and 2 AAAs for Assault. Oh, what's for one? Okay, BB is unboxing. We're going to him. Let it rip. Yeah. Hold on. I'm trying to go. Keep going. I think that's how the actual BB-8 was. Alright, overall I give this a good star review. It might be from one of those 5 Lopez, but still it's good. So yeah, that's all. Well, see you next time. Remember how to do that drugs. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Anything on Facebook, I'll try some more of my videos. Bye!